I never thought I'd be a personal injury attorney. I never thought I wanted to be a personal injury attorney. I used to believe all the ridiculous stereotypes because of an experience in my youth. A friend picked me up to go to high school, and on the way, we got into a minor fender bender. A short time later, my deposition was taken. I remember going into this attorney's office and seeing the dirty shag carpeting and the fake wood paneling. He was sitting behind his desk, chain smoking in his polyester suit with an awful comb over. And I thought, I will never be one of those guys. I wanted to do something better, more noble. Maybe I'd get into some real estate or some corporate law. So after law school, I was able to do some of that, and I absolutely hated it. I didn't feel like I was helping anybody. I was simply pushing paper around. One evening while watching television, a commercial came on for the news, and it shows a video of a man surfing. And the voiceover declares, "Workers' compensation fraud. This man has been collecting benefits, and here you can see him surfing." And it just enraged me that this guy was taking advantage of the system. So I began doing some defense work, and I was going to stop all these fraudulent and abusive claims. I quickly realized that fraud and abuse is only a tiny, tiny sliver of a percentage of all the claims that are reported. My real job was to pay as little as possible to those people who had been injured. A man who had been run over by a forklift, my job was to pay him as little as possible. Another man broke his back while working to feed his family. My job was to pay him as little as possible. It just didn't sit well with me. I couldn't do it. So I switched sides, and I've never looked back. I never thought I'd be a personal injury attorney, but there's nothing I'd rather do. I take people with problems and solve them. I just love it.